this should easily give you the general idea of what I'm actually trying to accomplish with this. The idea is I'm going to have a leg that bolts to the car, and this is going to be about a gusset that's going to tie in up here somewhere on the angle and go all the way to the top. It'll be bolted top and bottom, just like it's bolted there. So it's going to be triangular, and that is going to let me actually tip the car on its side. So I feel like this really speaks to the Mad Max themed Chevette here. I think now you can imagine what I was aiming to do. I'll have to admit this didn't turn out like I was hoping. My original expectation was that I'd be able to take this front stilt, leg, whatever, and install it on the back of the car and use it to tip the car on the opposite side as opposed to the driver's side, the passenger side. And same with the rear. However, the issue is back here. The clearance away from the body of the car on the factory bumper mounts is a lot closer. It actually touches the car right there. Not a lot, it's just gently touching, but that'll help, or that'll fight me from being able to flip these things easily. So right now they just bolt together. It's through bolt, it's not welded. I think the next thing to do is to actually tip this thing up on its side and try it. See how that might work for us here. I'm curious to see. I think chain fall is going to be a bit of a help here, because that's going to be pretty high to tip this car up. I'm going to take the wheels off the front at least and see where we get. I'm definitely undecided on this method. I mean, it's tipping, but I'm not too sold on it. For safety reasons, I'll probably leave the camera off for this next part, just to leave you to your imagination as to how I safely was able to complete this task. But if I uploaded this video, then, well, you know, that means I succeeded in some way and I'm not squished under there. Well, here goes nothing. I gotta say, I'm kind of surprised. It didn't go all that bad. Certainly can use some refining when I actually lift and rotate this thing. Otherwise, it's doing exactly what it needs to do. It's got the car safely up on its side. It's not touching the ground. It's also secure. Like the wiggle end is on account of my pavement being so nice. So if I put shims under there, it's going to be solid. I'm confident enough to climb on this. This will certainly help with undercarriage access, and now I can get to some stuff that I've been meaning to get to a heck of a lot easier. So I will take advantage of that and continue with this ongoing project here. This is a step in the right direction.